G'day and welcome back. And once again, I've just got back from the post office, so been waiting on this one for a while. This was mentioned in an earlier video. Should have been here ages ago. I bought this back in January, but bloody due to the hack, the Royal Mail hack, it got held up and didn't get sent off until the 21st of February, or 22nd of February, one of them, but it just sat somewhere in the UK, and I had to contact the seller, let them know I hadn't received it. They must have got on to Royal Mail, and it finally started moving, and it's here. So, tape's unnecessary. This tape just makes it harder to get into the thing. We got a good idea what is in here by now. It's a bit like Groundhog Day. So it's a yellow MMC54 Lotus 16, of course. So we've got some parts to get. All four carby trumpets are there, but there is a missing fuel cap. That doesn't matter, got plenty of fuel caps. What is really cool is that this axle so we have the tool rear tyres. So I now have 8 spare of these tyres. I had 3 axles. Now I have 4 axles. So that's pretty good. They're very hard to get. I remember I paid, it was either $120 or $150 for 29 brand new tyres from the USA many years ago. So it's good to get those tyres. Hopefully the motor goes. No braids. It's a bit disappointing. So that's two components less. So that'll be 16 components I can salvage from this. That's counting the axle. I count that as one component. This one as one component. The motor, a component. The wiring loom, a component. The guide, a component. Oil cooler, the exhaust, and the spring dampener assembly, each a component, the head, the windscreen, and of course the major one, the steering wheel mirror assembly. So excellent, finally got here, about time. So I'll see you in the next video.